Hello, this is Evangelist Dr. Robert L. McKim Sr. from Carrollton, Ohio. Also the president and founder of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol, a non-profit organization. Everything I do is legal and binding under the law. I have the right to protect myself, Renee, somebody else, and you know what? I have the right to protect myself from internet trolls that use fake phone numbers and fake names and use that to report against me to the sheriff's department. You know, I've been making so many reports to the sheriff's department about all the threats against myself, against Renee, against my property for several years now that you internet trolls and hackers have been making. Just because I stand on the Word of God, the Word of God, the whole Word of God, and I'm a fire and brimstone preacher, and I have the right to protect myself and Renee against you evil people, including the liberals in this county government that are what we call a government. It's not a government when they will steal my rights, like they want to steal my life, Renee's life, and my property. It's not a government. It's beginning to be a dictatorship. Wake up and realize this is the new world order that we're living in, where they don't really care about preachers like me. They don't care about preachers like me. They want to just kill, steal, and destroy, just like Satan wants to do. They're doing the will of Satan, their father. Their father is not God in heaven. Their father is the father of this earth. The prince of this earth. Wake up and realize what's going on. Excuse me. The phone number that is on this is the Spectrum operator system. It's not a real phone number, really, when it comes right down to an individual. So the report that you received was a fake report. Fake report from an internet troll. You believe the internet trolls over me. Maybe it's time you shut up or put up. You want to arrest me for preaching the truth? Here's my wrists. Come here with some handcuffs. And I'll have your church shut down, because I know your wishy-washy church is the problem. Your wishy-washy belief is the problem. I'm a Pentecostal, and if you don't like it, I don't care. Wishy-washy belief systems is not going to win souls. Someone said, "Oh, you catch more flies with honey." I'm not trying to catch flies. I'm trying to win souls from hell. Now that means pounding my fist on the pulpit. That's what I mean. That's what it takes. Wake up. That's how preaching used to be in the old days. Pounding their fists on the pulpit to wake people up. But no, you don't want to catch flies. You want to give in to the LGBTQ elemental P community. You want to give in and give up to sin. Jesus said to all the churches, "I have something against you." Before he said, Well, first he said, I like all this stuff about you, but yet I have something against you. I like all this stuff about you, but yet I have something against you. Wake up and realize Jesus has something against you. You're not doing the will of God. You're doing the will of man. Do you want to do what man says or what God says? Think about it. You know I'm right. You cannot come after my rights or my faith. You do not have the right. Got it? You do not have the right. You want to believe internet trolls over me? Over God? Go show what kind of man you really are. You know I'm right.